Hello everyone, today we will be doing the chapter Respiratory System in Humans. Now before we go on to the system, first we discuss about what is respiration. Now respiration, now we all breathe in air. Now please don't say that you breathe in oxygen. Our nose is not sensitive to oxygen. We breathe in air which contains more oxygen and we breathe out air which contains more carbon dioxide. So breathing is a part of respiration. So breathing is not respiration, but it is a part of respiration. Okay. So now when we breathe in air, the air reaches the lungs, and from the lungs the oxygen is taken by the red blood cells. Now we've already studied about the red blood cells. We've studied about hemoglobin, the pigment present in red blood cells. So the hemoglobin, it absorbs the oxygen from the lungs. Now what does this oxygen do? Why is oxygen very important for our body? Now C6H12O6. This is the chemical formula for glucose. Okay, so the food that we take in, the carbohydrates or glucose, the formula is C6H12O6. Now this food or the glucose or the carbohydrate that we take in combines with that oxygen which is absorbed by hemoglobin. Okay, and then carbon dioxide, water and energy is produced. Now see, why is oxygen very important for our body? Because it helps in breaking down the food or the glucose to produce energy. Carbon dioxide is released from our body. Water is also released as water vapor. But this energy that is produced is stored in the form of ATP. So energy that is being produced is stored in the form of ATP. Now what is the full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. So energy is stored in the form of ATP and the full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Now respiration is of two types, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So let's discuss about it. Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic from the word itself, air. Oxygen is required. The one which you did just now. I told you this is glucose, or the food that we take in combines with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. I'll just write ATP here, I'll come to that later on. Anaerobic respiration, and without, that means without oxygen. Now you all may be questioning yourself, do we respire without oxygen? Yes, we do. We do respire in the absence of oxygen only when we are doing physical activity. Like suppose we are running, we require more energy. So what happens is our body muscles, it starts respiring even if less oxygen is present. Okay? Suppose when we are doing exercise also, our body muscles, it starts respiring even in the shortage of oxygen. So what happens in this case? In this case, there is no oxygen. So what is produced is lactic acid. Again, I just write ATP. So lactic acid, carbon dioxide, and energy is produced. Okay. So here, aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen, and yet aerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen. What is produced here? Carbon dioxide and water. What is produced here? Lactic acid and carbon dioxide. Okay. Now see here, how many molecules of ATP are produced? 38 molecules of ATP are produced, whereas here only 2 molecules of ATP are produced. See the amount when oxygen is present, 38 molecules are produced. But in the absence of oxygen, since our body requires more energy, but only 2 ATP molecules are produced. Okay, here glucose is completely broken down into carbon dioxide and water. Here there is incomplete breakdown of glucose. Complete breakdown, incomplete breakdown. So let's do it again. Aerobic respiration occurs in the presence of oxygen, occurs in the absence of oxygen. Carbon dioxide and water is produced. Lactic acid and carbon dioxide is produced. 38 molecules of ATP are produced. 2 molecules of ATP are produced. Complete breakdown of glucose, incomplete breakdown of glucose. Okay. Now I told you anaerobic respiration occurs in our body during physical activity. So if you realize after running, after playing football, cricket, jumping, skipping, whatever, you find that your body muscles start aching or you experience body cramps. So why is it? Because lactic acid is produced in your body muscles. So after relaxing, after some time when you sleep or you take rest, your pain subsides, isn't it? This is because slowly this lactic acid is again broken down into carbon dioxide and water. Hence, your body again comes back to its normal form. So normally we respire by aerobic respiration only during physical activity. We respire, not we, the body muscles respire by anaerobic respiration just to fill in the shortage of energy. So thank you everyone. I hope you all understood this chapter. Bye bye.